Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce how I finish the first question of the homework 4. First of all, let us see the question itself. We should find and draw the upper Fy and lower Fy in terms of upper Fx and lower Fx. And we already know that y equals to gx when x is smaller than 0. It is 2 and 1 when x is between 0 and 1, y equals to 0. When x is between 1 and 2, y equals to 1 minus x, and otherwise y equals to minus 1. And we also know the lower fx itself. So from these two information, we can get that we can know how to draw the y, picture y, and then we know y is between negative 1 and positive 1. Thus, upper fy is equals to 0 when y is smaller than negative 1 and equals to 1 when fy is larger than 1. Y is larger than 1. So for y between negative 1 and positive 1, we can get these three situations. That is, when y equals to 0, negative 1. So the py equals to negative 1 is equals to px larger than 2. We can easily got this from the picture we draw above, and thus upper y, and thus at that time the probability of these two is equals to 1 minus upper fx2, and 1 y equals to 0. So it is to calculate the probability of y equals to 0. That is equals to p x between 1 to 0. The result is upper fx1 minus upper fx0. And for the last example, that is y equals to 2, and we can easily got the answer is upper fx0, and that is the situation when y is from negative 1 to positive 1. And from the formula, we can also get that between the section from minus 1 to 0, y is equals to 1 minus x. So the lower fy is equals to lower fx divided by the absolute value of the derivative of gx, and that is lower fx 1 minus y. So from this information, we can easily get the formula of the expression of lower fy. That is, from for these we can divide the expression to 5 different situations. That is when y equals to -1. It is 1 minus upper fx 2 timed delta y plus 1. And when y is from -1 to 0, it is lower fx 1 minus y, and when y equals to 0, it is upper fx 1 minus upper fx 0 times delta y. And when y is equals to 2, it is upper fx 0 times delta y minus 2. Otherwise, it is 0. So from this expression, we can draw the lower fy, and as for the upper fy, we can divide it to 4 situations. When y is smaller than -1, it is 0. When y is from -1 to 0, it is 1 minus upper fx 1 minus y. And when y is from 0 to 2, it is 1 minus upper fx 0, and otherwise it is 1. And same, we can draw the picture from the expression. That's all. Thank you.